What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, don't forget smash that subscribe button down there, give the video a like, and make sure you comment below, let me know what you think. This is what I do for a living, rocking around Ireland for food so you can have some yummy Chinese takeaway. So yeah, in today's video, guys, we're going to check out the concrete pad. The guy is over there doing it on his own, so I'm out working, so the minute I get home we'll have a look at the progress. So here we have it, guys. One side of the pad is done. You already seen this is all done, all filled in, rock solid. It's about 7 or 8 inches deep, so I could put a nice lift on it. But here's the other part is done. It's covered. He covered it because it was raining, and apparently the rain can put like indentations in it, the weight of the rain, I don't know, whatever he said. But this is solid and nice, and I can't wait to work on it. It's looking good. I'm really happy with it. Tomorrow he's going to come back and he's going to do this one here, then it's all going to be ready. Take up the wood, and then down here just needs to be bashed down a little bit, a few more stones in it, and 2 inches or 3 inches of concrete below this, so if any water does get in, it will sit below the pad, and I'll have it running all the way around out to here. And I'm going to be doing slabs with some drains all the way around the perimeter, because then it's going to fall down into it if any rain comes. So I have to cut down all these trees when this one is done, start getting the metal structure out and up and onto it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to start on this wall here. So I'm going to build it 9 foot high in a square with a plus in the middle and some X braces and stuff, and then we can stand that up. Then I can work on that one down there, do the same, put that up, and then the back one I can do the same, drill it all together. And what we're going to do is, when I have the whole structure done, it's all just going to be screwed together with self tappers and L brackets, so then we can take it apart, lay it down on the ground, put down our corrugated stuff that obviously garages are made of, and then pop it up, stick it all back together, and then my brother's going to come over and weld it all together. So yeah, it's starting to come together. I really need to get the rest of that wall knocked down. I need to cut it, knock it down, and build a square for a frame for a fence for a gate that I can drive in and out. Now I do need to put a steel beam on the bottom just to keep it square and strong so it doesn't blow down. It's going to be drilled into that wall, it's going to be drilled into this, it's going to be drilled into the ground, so it's going to be solid. But it is going to be about maybe a 3 inch or not even a 3 inch, maybe a 2 inch lump that I need to drive over. So some of my cars are low, but it's not going to be that low. I might actually see if I can leave out the bit on the bottom. I don't really know, but that's the update for now. I'm going to take that plastic off now so we can have a look. So take it off now. And no, I'm not taking that off. It's all screwed down anyway. I'm going to wait until this part is done. Then I'm going to show you the whole pad when it's done. And then obviously we will be doing another bit of work on the perimeter of it, cutting down some trees and getting all of this prepped for our stone that I have all the way over here. So I might need to get more of that. But I also got a metal shed to replace that wooden one because that leaks. And I have all my gear in there, all my tools and stuff. So yeah, he's going to come back tomorrow and get this done. I will see you after work, and this should be done and dusted. So guys, it's Monday, and unfortunately in Ireland we have a red weather warning. It's really bad. Like, I'm driving a Fiat and the Fiat is rocking side to side. It's really windy and heavy rainfall, flooding overnight. So unfortunately the pad won't be getting finished today. Maybe tomorrow if it clears up, or Wednesday. But yeah, we'll keep an eye on the weather, and the guy that's doing the concrete said he'll give me a shout when he can come over. So yeah, we'll just have to give you updates when that happens. So see you when he's back over. So it was bringing the Mini to work day today. I'll stick a picture up here of it in the car park. Really enjoyed it. It's just such an awesome little car. So Kevin just left there, the guy that was doing pad. I'm just going out the back garden now to give us a look, and it just looks so much bigger now than it was before that it's finished. So let's have a look. So that's the last section done. This one is bone dry now. So Kev said leave it until about Monday before I start putting stuff on it. This will dry overnight and then take another day to settle. But yeah, it's looking awesome. It's concrete, baby. The cars are going to fit on this perfectly. So the door in the garage is going to be from maybe this leg all the way over to here. I want a really wide door so I can get a swing in with any kind of car. So I need to figure out with this wall, I need to get this wall down, I need to dig out all that stuff, I need to rake the whole lot back to make it slanty like this, so then I can get the slabs in and get them nice and neat and tidy. So also Monday I can take up all this wood around the perimeter and then bash this down a little bit more, put some more stones in it and do some filling concrete in that as well. It only needs to be about 2 or 3 inches, Kevin was saying, to stop the grass and the weeds coming back up through. So all the way around, as you can see, nothing really much grows up around the edge, but you can see some grass here. He said just put some more stone on top of it, bash it down a little bit and stick 2 inches of concrete on top of that. We still have the mixer, so that will do good with that. But yeah, I'm so happy the way it looks amazing. So yeah, progress is progress. Doesn't matter how big or how small it is, progress is progress. So I'm going to leave it now. I will be back out the back garden during the week. We will rake all this stuff back and get it ready for the slabs. But Monday I'll be taking all the steel out and I will be measuring up and I will be making the steel structure for the shed. There's no point in waiting around to get it done. I may as well get the steel out. I'm going to do the garage 8 foot tall, but then on top of that is going to be the roof. So it's going to be 8 foot tall and then the roof is going to go up another maybe 1.5 foot and then fall all the way down towards the back. So the back of the garage is going to be 8 foot and the front of the garage is going to be about 9.5 foot, which is tall enough. I don't need a 4-post or lift to lift the car up over the trees, so that's going to do me. So yeah, this wall needs to be knocked down from here all the way up. Then I'm going to do a steel frame up and around and get a gate in here. And then this is where the door is going to be, from here up and around and down. No point in making it too big. It just needs to be big enough to fit my cars in and a bigger car in the future. Also, all over here is going to be for benches, tools, jack. And then over this side is obviously going to be more benches and tools and storage for car parts, because next build that we are doing on the channel will be a drift build. So I really do want a drift car. I really want to learn how to drift. I've only ever had a few rear wheel drive cars and had a bit of fun in rear wheel drive cars. So I do really want to build a drift car, and I'm hoping to be able to buy an E36 because I have that Pandem kit, I have wheels, and then I have an engine. So the engine is sitting over there underneath that Honda rocker cover. No, it's not a Honda, it's a GTST engine, single cam RB20, gonna get turboed, 250 300 brake horsepower. For learning, I think that's enough power for me. I just want to do some slab sliding for a while. I need to learn how to drift. I don't know how to drift. I know how to slide a car, but controlling a slide is 2 different things. So yeah, I'm gonna head in. Next time you see me, I'll be building this garage and getting these slabs down so we can actually bring the cars out the back garden. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button, give the video a like and comment on the video. Let me know what you think of the size of the pad. Is it big enough for what I need to do? I think so. I'm not putting a door on the front of the garage. I might get a roller shutter in the future, but it's all down to money. I still need to get corrugated stuff for the sides and the roof. Pfft, money. So yeah, appreciate it, guys. Peace out, be dedicated, and I will see you in the next one.